Hi and welcome back everyone. In the last video we took a look at how you can create a very simple LED flasher just using one LED. In this example we are going to use multiple digital write commands to control two LED circuits. Remember that the power of a microcontroller lies in the fact that we can use our software or code in order to control hardware. So when we do that, typically we have separate circuits to do different things. Notice on our board here that the red LED circuit is not connected to the green LED circuit at all. They're two totally separate circuits. We are letting the Arduino microcontroller control what happens with those and the code that we write. So be careful when you're building your hardware circuits. They don't always have to be all connected together. They might be, but in this case here, we want them as separate hardware circuits. So that's the way that they're built. Remember that the first thing that we're going to do in a simple program like this is we are going to create our void setup function. Remember, this runs only once when the Arduino is powered up. So we write void space setup bracket bracket, open curly brace here and close curly brace here, and then we are going to control two LEDs. So we're going to choose pins 2 and pin 13. They're both going to be outputs, so we do pin mode and bracket 2 comma output bracket semicolon, and then pin mode bracket 13 comma output bracket semicolon here. So that sets pin 2 and pin 13 to output pins. Next is our void loop function. Remember that once the Arduino is powered up and finishes running void setup, it runs the void loop function over and over and over again as long as the Arduino is powered up. What we want to do here is the following. First, here's void space loop bracket bracket. We've got open curly brace here, open curly brace here. What we're going to do is we are going to do a digital write command, and we're going to set pin 2 high. Don't forget the semicolon at the end. We're going to use a digital write command, set pin 13 low, and we're going to hold that for 1 second. So 2, which is the red LED, is going to be on, the green LED is going to be off, and we're going to hold it for 1 second. Then we're going to reverse it. Digital write 2, we're going to set the red LED to go low, we're going to set the green LED to go high, and again we are going to hold it there for 1 second. Remember that void loop runs continuously. It goes back up here and it does this line again, followed by this, and so on, and then it goes back up again. So let's start the simulation and make sure that this works as expected. So powers up, and you can see that it is flashing back and forth as expected. They are never both on at the same time, and that's what our code indicates. So that's it for this tutorial. I highly suggest you open up Tinkercad and try it yourself. Make sure it works. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.